Toyota's full-size truck is getting a fresh shot of adrenaline. Designed right here in North America by Toyota's Cal-T team, the updated 2027 Tundra sharpens its design, boosts its cabin tech, and adds a brand new factory overlanding setup. Let's count down the top 5 things you need to know about the updated 2027 Toyota Tundra. But first, here's a quick message from our sponsor.
You didn't compromise on your vehicle. Why compromise on what protects it? Upgrade to TuxMat. Laser measured for a flawless custom fit, TuxMat delivers premium edge-to-edge coverage that seamlessly matches hundreds of interiors. With 2.5 times more protection than the other guys, in our Tri-Force construction, dirt, snow, and mud don't stand a chance. Protect your investment and find your fit at TuxMat.com.
While all versions of the 2027 Tundra get a restylized, purpose-driven front end, if you're eyeing the flagship off-roader, Toyota is giving the 2027 Tundra TRD Pro a serious boost in both style and trail capability. Headlining the updates is a bold new exterior color called Honeycomb, a high-impact shade built to make a real statement on or off-grid. But it's far more than just a fresh coat of paint. Underneath, there are TRD Pro upgrades including newly designed vehicle-specific Fox-enhanced QS3 shocks, which are engineered to give you noticeably improved stability, better chassis feel, and quick adjustability when you're hammering through rough terrain. Throw in standard rugged red tow hooks and available ISO-dynamic seats to help keep you supported and stable in the cab during high-speed trail runs, and the updated TRD Pro is looking like a serious contender. Number 4 brings big tech upgrades inside the cab. A massive 14-inch touchscreen is now standard across the board, backed by AT&T 5G connectivity and a faster Hey Toyota voice assistant. Toyota also added a built-in drive recorder dash cam that automatically saves 20-second clips of triggered events or lets you manually record. Even cooler, the updated digital key now lives right inside your native Apple, Google, or Samsung phone wallet. You can share key access with up to 5 people, and thanks to NFC tech, it'll still unlock and start your truck even if your phone's battery dies. At number 3, Toyota is making off-grid exploration a lot more accessible with the all-new Trail Hunter package. Unlike the top-tier Tacoma and 4Runner versions, this Trail Hunter package is built right off the popular SR5 grade. It adds serious hardware straight from the factory like Old Man Emu suspension, Michelin LTX trail tires, front recovery hooks, extra underbody protection, and a locking rear diff. You also get multi-terrain select, crawl control, bronze wheels, and exclusive badges. However, being built on something closer to the base Tundra model means that you aren't getting quite as premium a version of the Trail Hunter as you would on other Toyotas. Perhaps the change is being made in an attempt to increase sales of the trim, as well as accessory parts, but will this be Toyota's strategy with all Trail Hunter models going forward? Only time will tell. Coming in at number 2 is standard peace of mind. The 2027 Tundra rolls out with the updated Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 system. This newest generation upgrades the hardware and detection range across the board. You get standard pre-collision with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist to help manage distance in daily traffic. That is a lot of assists. And our number 1 takeaway, serious muscle paired with job site practicality. You still have your choice of 2 powertrains, the standard twin-turbo V6 iForce, or the punchier iForce Max hybrid option, which adds an electric motor between the engine and the transmission, giving you up to 89 more horsepower. Plus, if you go with the hybrid, Toyota includes a built-in 2.4 kilowatt power inverter. That means you can run power tools, tailgating setups, or camping gear directly off the truck wherever you go. That's our quick look at what's new for the 2027 Tundra. But what do you think of the new upgrades? And is that Trail Hunter trim a cool addition for the nameplate or a toned-down disappointment? Drop your comments down below and be sure to check out AutoGuide.com for more news and reviews. Thanks for watching.